Hey guys, this is TechX, and today we're going to be making this Tron XY P-82M 3D printer sing. So, if you haven't seen stuff like this before, there's plenty of videos on YouTube, but I just thought it'd be kind of cool to make this one, to see if it would work on a Tron XY. But if you haven't seen other videos, basically what it is just, if you have a printer, you know that the motors make like a screeching or like a beeping or different tones. So by some people, what they've done is they've taken those sounds, those tones that they get, and they've actually composed them into songs and then turned those into a G-code file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up the Imperial March and we're going to give that a shot and see how it works. Alright, so from what I've read in the instructions of the downloadable files in Thingiverse, linked in the description, from what I read, you need to have this in the center, so that if it goes up and down on the Z-axis, or the back and forth with the bed, or the hot end, it's not gonna mess up. It's not going to mess up something on the printer. Basically, that way it'll stay approximately in the middle, just so that it has the full range for the most part. So I have about 83 millimeters up, and I believe it was like, I don't know exactly, but it was about halfway in. So just kind of get it in the middle. So now we're going to give it a shot and see what it does. Okay, so y'all can hear this better. I unplugged the actual extruder fan and the cooling fan, which was not normally there, so that's another video if you want to take a look at that. But this is the main fan that you have to unplug. It's making a lot of noise, so it's kind of hard to hear. So we're going to start off with the Imperial March. Alright, so that was pretty cool. I don't know how well you guys can hear it. I'll try to boost it a little bit for you. But I do have it on some, actually, rubber padding, basically, some tube insulation, so that it's not as loud. And I didn't really think about that, but that's going to definitely affect how loud it is. So, for the most part, it sounded really good. It did not go out of bounds. Like, I didn't hear anything trying to pull further than it could go. I don't know if any of the switches stopped it, but at least for the bed, I don't think anything. This was definitely the loudest piece. The bed was the loudest piece, but it was really cool to hear. So there's actually some videos that you can look up on YouTube, which I'll link below, that'll actually have that show you other songs and stuff, but also there's other websites and stuff that allow you, like PDFs, that'll show you the different G codes and stuff available to be able to code music yourself. So that would be something really cool. So if y'all want to see that, if you have a specific song, I'll try and see if I can download it and play it, or I'll try to make it myself. Not that good at editing G codes, but I'm getting there, and I'm sure that'd be a great challenge. So let me know if you want to see that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was a little fun video, not really educational that much, but just kind of cool seeing how it all plays together. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.